What's up, CC? Get off me! Dude. Sorry, that was terrible. That was not good. Can we run that again?
Yeah, let's run it back.
Just from the top, yeah.
We're live.
We're live?
We're live?
What do you mean we're live?
Right now we're live.
Right now?
Just cut to the intro right now.
That's fine.
The intro's not ready.
What do you mean it's not ready? Okay, this is your fault!
This is Colleen. What are you talking about? District's gonna cut all our funding? Wait, Matthew and Bodie, are they behind this? Hang on.
Hey, CCA.
We would like to apologize.
We know what we did was wrong, and we promise that it won't happen again.
We fixed it though.
Yeah, no, it's all better. I'm Matthew.
And I'm Bodie.
And we're sorry. And this is CCA-TV Season 24.
In and out of bound, we're hunting in and out. We're gonna find an in and out. In and out of bound, get free in and out. In and out of bound. Go down to the squad, where you can meet the squad. And go and claim your in and out. September 17th, keep what you find for free. In and out of bound.
Ah, what a great meal. Oh, I wonder what my fortune is.
You shall go to the proscenium at 5 p.m. on Friday.
Huh?
To support the BSU and watch Just Mercy.
But I don't have any money.
Good thing is, tickets are free.
Hey CCA, we want to do our best to welcome you back onto campus.
It's our job to keep you guys up to date on the latest news and events that are going on.
Ooh, hey, look at this. Educational tours to Switzerland. Hey, freshmen.
Nice.
June 15th to 26th, 2020. Should have read the poster first.
Maybe the arts host will be better at this.
Our first episode.
I'm... Line...
What's up, CCA? I'm Annika.
Mooses.
It's like a lot to think about.
Colin. Your name is Colin.
What's soup, CCA? I'm Annika.
What's up? What's up?
Get out of the shot!
And this is arts.
Wow, this statue really rocks.
Speaking of rock, there's a rock band right here at CCA who recently just won Battle of the Bands at Petco Park.
Let's go check them out.
Over the summer, local band The Swell won Petco Park's Battle of the Bands against 6 other acts. They won $6,000 for the CCA music program. We were able to interview 2 members of the band, Zoe Preston and Ella Grace, along with CCA rock band teacher Mr. Jarrell.
The band came to be when Zoe and I met at a music studio that we took lessons at. So we started the band, and then our drummer came along, Evan, and then we met Christina, our bassist, here at CCA.
We got the opportunity to play at Battle of the Bands when our music teacher was kind of organizing the whole event, and we also wanted to kind of meet some other bands from the community and from other high schools.
We are really proud of the Swell for going out and doing this all on their own and making this happen, and the donation to the music program is going to make a really significant difference. And so we're really excited to be able to use that to support all of the different music classes down there with some great new equipment for all the things that we do.
When we won $6,000 for the CCA music program, it felt really good because the program and Nate have given us so much, it felt good to give back.
Unlike other mediums,
Watercolor is very fluid and transparent, and finding balances between the water and paint is difficult to achieve. However, the effects that watercolor is able to produce is unlike any other. Preparing materials. To begin, you will need paper, brushes, paint, a towel, and water. There is a wide variety of paper, each fit for a type of medium. The best paper to use is watercolor paper because it absorbs water well compared to Bristol or drawing paper. Brushes come in multiple shapes and sizes and can have different types of fibers. Depending on what you are painting, choosing the best brush for your project is important. Some common brush types include round, bright, and filbert. Color and quality are two important factors to look for in watercolor. Brands such as Artist Loft and Winsor & Newton can be found at your local art supply store. Understanding watercolor. Water and paint ratios can be adjusted to create your desired effect. Adding more water to your paint will create a soft, light feel, while adding less water to your paint will create a hard, dark feel. To blend colors, you can paint two colors next to each other and blend with water, or first apply water to your paper and then add color.
That was a film made by CCA student Yezi Sa.
It is one of 16 films selected from CCA students for the All-American High School Film Festival.
Congratulations to all others who were selected to All-American.
See you next time, CCA.
Hey CCA, thanks for a great first episode.
It's great to be back, and we love the culture that you guys bring here.
Yeah, can I say something real quick?
Yeah.
Is that fine to
go
them?
for it.
To whoever keeps stealing the soap dispensers, can you guys stop? There's none. There's no soap in the upstairs bathrooms, and I haven't gone to the restroom in like 3 weeks.
Dude, what?
No, it's because there's no soap. Get over here.
Fine, we'll just end it.
Yeah. Stay devious, CCA.